Iqbal Latif. There is a raw material that powers modern science communication. It is not discovery, it is not wonder, it is dread. The universe is being sold to you as a threat. Black holes are coming, asteroids are waiting, the sun will consume us, heat death will silence everything, distant mergers will send shockwaves, cosmic forces are indifferent to your survival. This is not science education, this is victim substance, the systematic reduction of humanity from observer to prey, and it is extraordinarily profitable. Fear scales. Wonder requires patience, language, depth. You have to earn wonder. You have to sit with complexity. Fear is instant. A headline about a black hole merger 1 billion light years away generates more engagement than a decade of careful discovery. A warning about an asteroid that will not arrive for centuries spreads faster than any understanding of planetary formation. The architecture is deliberate. Take 3 ideas that are real: cosmic scale, evolutionary contingency, the rarity of intelligence, and strip them of context. Remove the distances, remove the timescales, remove the probabilities. What remains is pure anxiety wearing the uniform of physics. This is the manufacturing process. This is how victim substance is produced. The 3 great pillars of cosmic panic follow the same template. The first is the murder of Skull. 2 black holes merge over 1 billion light years away, and we are told Earth will feel shockwaves. What actually arrived here in 2015, the first confirmed gravitational wave detection in human history, was a displacement 1/10,000 the diameter of a proton. Your coffee did not move. Your walls did not shake. The universe did not notice you, but the headline said shockwave, and fear spread. The second is the dinosaur fallacy. The claim that without the asteroid, dinosaurs would have eventually evolved into something like us. Intelligence as destiny. Awareness as the inevitable product of time. This is comforting to believe because it makes us feel expected. It also happens to be without evidence. Dinosaurs ruled for 150 million years and produced nothing resembling cumulative knowledge. No tools, no symbols, no language. Time is not enough. Dominance is not enough. The fallacy converts our rarity into inevitability, and in doing so, erases the actual miracle. The third is the narrative of inevitable outcomes, that we are on a trajectory toward destruction, that the cosmos is a countdown, that our significance lies in how we will eventually be erased rather than in what we have already done. 3 pillars, 1 foundation, victim substance. Here is what they erase. We are not the fragile thing at the mercy of the universe. We are the only part of the universe that has ever looked back at itself and understood what it was seeing. Every force being used to frighten us was operating for billions of years before we arrived. The universe did not assemble its threats in anticipation of our existence. It simply was. Indifferent, continuous, vast. We are the anomaly that emerged anyway. We grew instruments where biology gave us none. We extended our senses across spectrums we cannot feel. We learned to hear gravitational waves. We learned to see light 13 billion years old. We mapped the architecture of time. This is not ordinary. This is not guaranteed. This is not what evolution promised. This is what happened against the odds once here on this particular rock. Because of a rare convergence of hands and eyes and memory, and the unique human capacity to accumulate knowledge across generations. Victim substance inverts the story. It takes the most extraordinary fact in the known universe, that matter became aware of itself, and reframes it as a temporary condition awaiting termination. It monetizes our smallness. It sells our contingency back to us as existential horror. The antidote is not false comfort. The antidote is accurate proportion. The universe is not trying to kill us. It does not know we exist. That is precisely what makes our existence remarkable. Not that something out there threatens us, but that something in here understands out there. We are sentient stardust, not the expected outcome, not the inevitable product, the exception. And the exception does not require an alibi. It requires recognition. Do not panic at the universe. The universe has not earned your panic. It has earned your attention. Pay it there.